guys, I decided to throw a bonus video in for today, and that's going to be my October Ipsy Glam Bag. If you're curious to see what items I got in this bag, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber. Welcome to my channel. I figured I better start saying the name of my channel because I'm getting a lot of new subscribers, which is exciting. Hi, everybody. So glad that you've decided to join my little happy family here. And I thought that it would be best that I started saying the name of my channel because most people probably don't know how to pronounce it. But in today's video, we are going to go over my Ipsy Glam Bag for October. So, that is self-explanatory. Let's jump into it. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. So they have their nice little logo. It comes in a bubble wrap bag just like this. And you just pop the little bad boy open and, ooh, pretty. You got your little bag. Ooh, this feels good. This is like a black bag with gold stuff on it. So, like, they have, you know, lipstick and a brush and just kind of cool makeup things with this, like, I don't even know what you call this. I don't know. It kind of reminds you of like Egyptian or something like that with the eye and stuff. I don't know, it looks kind of cool. And on the back it says, "You're magic." Am I really? Awesome. All right, let's open this bad boy up. And yay, there's a card in there. Love when they include the cards. A little sneak peek. Everything's just kind of tousled in the little bag there. So I'm going to pop my card open so I can find what I'm looking for as I grab it. Radiant Glow Highlighter. IBY Beauty. Okay, so here's the little package it comes in. And guys, I don't even know what to do with highlighter, I'll be honest with you. So this will most likely go to my niece. Oh, it's cute though. Little cute sample there. Ooh, yeah, it's pretty, guys. I mean, it's nice and everything, but like I said, I don't use highlighter. So I will definitely be giving this away to my niece. But let's read about her real quick. The name doesn't lie. One swipe of this finely milled powder highlighter will give you a royally golden glow. Woo! It blends easily, so you won't have to worry about it looking cakey or over makeup. You know what I'm saying? We also love it all over our lids and on the inner corners of our eyes for a shimmery effect. I might use it that way. We'll see. Maybe I'll keep it. I don't know. So this is a deluxe sample, and then they have a little tip on here for it. It says apply it to your forehead, brow bones, nose, cheekbones, wherever you want to glow, pretty much. Awesome. So the retail price of the full-size version of this product is $14, and you get 5 grams. This that they sent to me is a 0.1 ounces, which is 3 grams. So this is the deluxe sample. So you're, what, 2 grams off of what the full size would be. So that's not bad. It's a pretty nice little sample, right? Okay, let's jump into the next one. Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. Gimme Brow. Benefit Gimme Brow. It's a brow volumizing fiber gel. He's little. She's a little guy. Okay, so this is going to be for me, guys, especially if it is black, which we're hoping. Oh, it's not. It says right here, neutral deep brown. Well, that's a bummer because clearly mine are black. So this is not going to work for me. Kind of bummed, gotta say. I am going to go ahead and pop it open because it will work for my niece. She does have brown eyebrows, so this will work for her. Here's what it looks like, guys. Nice little sample. But it won't be for me. But in case you guys are curious about it, let's read up on it. So, Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow. Whether your brows are sparse, bold, or just need a little definition, this volumizing brow gel will make them look perfect in a flash. Awesome! The tapered brush provides mess-free application and makes tinting and taming super easy. Alrighty, plus the water-resistant formula won't smudge or fade. Yeah. All right, so the tip for this is to apply light pressure and stroke the brush tip along your brows in their natural direction. So don't be trying to do something cool and fun. Just go the way your brows are. That's what they're saying. I should take their advice because clearly I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I just try to make mine look half decent. All right, so the retail price of this bad boy is $24 for 3 grams. They sent me, well, tell me on the bottle. They sent me 1 gram. So this is 1 gram in their little sample that they sent to me here. And the full size is 3 grams for $24. Okay, that's my next little product. Let's move on. Ooh, I popped the top off of this. Awesome. What is it? Sorry. All right, Farewell Frizz. You guys need a better lid. So, I don't know. Briogeo or something. Farewell Frizz. I don't know what this does. It's a leave-in conditioning spray. Boom! That's what it is. I'm not going to try to read all the stuff that I clearly can't read. This stuff never works for my hair type anyways. I don't know. Ooh, it smells good. It's very, very milky. I'll use it though. I mean, I'll definitely use it. This is 0.75 fluid ounces. Let's read what they claim this thing does here. So this Miracle Mist has all the hydrating and frizz-fighting benefits of a hair cream, thanks to a mix of argan, coconut, and rosehip oils. That sounds really good. And the cool milky formula is so lightweight, it won't weigh your hair down one bit. That's pretty cool. Okay, so the tip is to mist some into the palm of your hand and use it to smooth over stray hairs and flyaways. Oh, I just, spray it on my head. But they're saying to spray it in your hand first. Interesting. Okay, so the full-size version of this bad boy is 148 milliliters, and it is $20. This deluxe sample is 22 milliliters. How much is the full size? What did I say? 148. Okay, so, I mean, you're going to get I don't know, probably 4 or 5 uses out of this. I don't know. You'll probably get a good bit of use out of this if you use it the way that they're explaining it to you. So, whatever. I'll give it a go. But that kind of stuff never really works for my hair type. But, whatever. I'll try it. Okay, looks like we got 2 things left in here. First thing I'm grabbing is Tarte, I don't know, Miracula Tinted Hydrator. Here it is. I love the little bottle. So cute. So a tinted hydrator. Looks like it's the right color for me. Let's see here. So this is whether you love a no makeup look or glam is your thing. You're going to be obsessed with this tinted hydrator. That's a bold statement. Lightweight and easy to blend, the buildable formula melts seamlessly into skin for no fuss application. Perfect for busy mornings. I don't know about you, but all my mornings are busy. Like, I barely have time to put makeup on at all. And I feel like it shows all the time because I really don't have time to do it. Least favorite part of my day. Okay, so the tip is to dot it onto your cheeks, nose, forehead, and chin and blend out using your fingers. So the full-size version of this guy is $29 and it's 30 milliliters. And they sent me 5 milliliters. Okay. So $29. All right, let's pop this open because it looks like it's my skin color. So let's, I don't know, let's see what happens here because it looks like, ooh, I got way too much. Like, I used the whole sample on my hand just now. Wow, look at that. What a waste, guys. I meant to get like a little dot. Oh, that is so wasteful. Ugh, I'm really bummed. Like, what if I like this? Okay, so might as well rub it in. Look at that. I can do my whole hand. I had to probably do my whole body. Oh my gosh. That is terrible, guys. I can't believe I just wasted all of that. Oh, what a bummer. It looks like it'll be okay. Look, for my skin type. So, here's a before, here's an after. Can you see the difference in my hands? I'm just saying. All right, so yeah, this color looks good for me. And now I have it all over my hands. I have nothing to wipe myself with. So this is totally awesome. I'm going to ruin my little makeup bag because there's one product left in there. So let's see if I can maneuver without like ruining my new little bag. Okay, ooh. I don't know how to pronounce this name. I got one of these in one of my other ones, but it's a precision eyeliner. I don't know, Duce. You guys know I'm going to pop this up for you anyways. So the other one I got, I don't like. Ooh, I might like this one though. This is more like a crayon. Ooh, let's try. Well, I just did all that. Oh, yeah. Wow. Yay. Look at that. Yay. This is bomb. I so can't wait to use this. Okay, let's read about this one. Oh my God, that's awesome. And I need a new one because the one that I was using, I lost it. So I'm using some other cheap stuff. But anyways, it's a creamy black eyeliner that's comfy and lasts all day. It says sign us up. For sure, sign me up. The waterproof formula stays in place, no running, smearing, or fading. Plus, it's velvety smooth and has a soft, semi-matte finish that won't tug on your lids during application. Guys, I gotta say, look at this. Ooh, I am super impressed with that. I am not gonna need very much of this. Ooh, I love it. So the tip is to trace along your upper lash line, wing it up and out, connect back down to your lash line. I'm not going to use it like that. I just use mine underneath, and that's how I'm going to use that one. So this is a full-size product. The retail price of this little bad boy is $22. I got to say, I'm really impressed with it already, though, and I haven't even used it on my eyes yet, so I'm actually really excited to use it, but I don't know if I'll keep getting it for 22 bucks. We'll have to see how that goes. But guys, that's it for my Ipsy Glam Bag. Super pumped about this one. There's quite a few products in there that will be great for me to try. I'm actually excited to try the bronzer on my eyes, so I might go ahead and keep that. Did I call it a bronzer? It's a highlighter. It's not a bronzer. Okay, I'm going to try the highlighter on my eyes, so we'll see how that goes. I'll give this a try, but I have not very high hopes for it. And I am in love with this new little eyeliner here. And this actually matches my skin very well, so we'll see how all these products work. Unfortunately, the brow stuff is going to go to my niece because it's not the right color for my eyebrows. So there you go, guys. That was my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of October. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. You don't want to miss any of the super fun videos I have coming up. Lots of fun home decor videos, fall, Christmas, also some fun fashion DIYs. I'm going to have some fun like ugly Christmas jackets and sweaters and all kinds of stuff going on. So make sure you're subscribed and you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the fun stuff I have coming up. Thanks so much for stopping by to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Microphone. Every time! Microphone. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video... Okay, that's not how I'm going to start this. Let's try it again. Hold on. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. That's not how I'm going to start it. I'm thinking. Hold on. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber. Welcome to my channel. I figured I should start saying the name of my channel because everybody's like confused. Try it again. Okay. Okay, guys. So here's the bag. Did that look good? Probably not. Try it again.